My name is Melissa Paul, and I'm out here on World Oceans Day doing habitat restoration, doing marsh grass planting, because it's important for us to protect our natural environment. And you know, we have to restore our place after the storm.
This was a great opportunity this year for us to really focus on restoring the shore through our events, because we did have such a big destructive event of Hurricane Florence last year. We took that opportunity to really reach out to the community, show people how we can restore the shore, and hopefully foster inspiration and appreciation for our living shorelines.
Spring into Action was trying to get anyone to actually do something that will help the environment. Anything that connects them is then going to help them spread the word, but also spark curiosity.